Hello everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive. I would like to show you how to engage or disengage your trunk lock. So basically your tailgate, you can engage it and disengage it. On the Honda Ridgeline, there's also a compartment, like a storage compartment in the back. So if you turn your car in for service and you don't want anybody messing with your stuff, what you could do, you can open the glove box right here. You could engage the lock, close your glove box, and you can lock it with your security blade, which is located on the back of your key. This guy right here, this metal piece, it pops right out and it goes in there and locks. So if you have your stuff, you throw it in there, you take it in for service. So I just engaged it, so my tailgate will not open. As you can see, this is completely useless now. There's another lock. It's useless. So if you have your stuff in the storage compartment, you cannot open that as well. Even if you were to open the tailgate, this will not open. But if you have like a cover on top, nobody would even have an access to the back of your truck whatsoever. So if you unlock it just like so, now the tailgate will work, and now you have access to your storage compartment. Just in case you guys didn't know, I want to show you where that was located and how it works. Thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or send an email. Thank you.